Bofrot is made of flour, sugar and other ingredients, which is fried in hot oil under high temperature. The tasty delicacy is often taken with a beverage in the morning, but some prefer taking it as snack in the afternoon. The business is the mainstay of the Anyuan Kwanta economy. Travelers make a stop at the busy junction to have a taste of the brown balls.
This business was in existence before we were born.
Prices of vegetable oil almost doubled in the past few days, currently selling at 1,000 cedis a gallon from a little below 600 cedis. With inflation hovering at 37.2% in September, food prices have soared. For about a week, the busy stop at Anyuan Kwanta has lost its main feature, bofrot hawking. Local stoves, which are production units at the time of our visit, were desolate. According to traders, the hike in price of cooking oil pushed them out of the business.
It's 1,000 and see a check here. What for to cry? Who no money now? No, 1,000. Says I want the franc will be 1,000. Yes, I buy it.
A gallon of oil is now sold at 1,000 Ghana cedis, but the ingredients for bofrot is less than 1,000 cedis. So we realized we had to put a halt to making bofrot.
For this reason, the traders have resolved to hike prices from 3 to 5 cedis, with the smallest balls going for 3 cedis. They are uncertain about survival of the business.
You have 5 cedis and 3 cedis. They are traveling. They say 8. What's it? 2 cedis and 3 cedis.
From today, the 3 cedi bofrot will be sold at 5 Ghana cedis, while we sell the 2 cedi bofrot at 3 Ghana cedis.
Meanwhile, the yam frying business, which is an alternative for many here, is also in recession. The traders plan to increase the prices to 5 cedis for 3 pieces. Ajwa Ampoma is leader.
I want to put so I did 5 million, I could do 10 million. You do one year. You can see a channel, me and 5 cedi. You can me and 5 cedi. 1 cedi.
Unlike the price of oil, the yam prices are stable, so we have decided to sell 3 pieces of yam at 5 Ghana cedis.
It is unclear how the market will respond to the increment. There are concerns the Anyuan Kwanta bofrot may go into extinction if the cedi depreciation, which is said to be the cause of the price hikes, remain unchecked. For Joy News, Nana Yaujima, Anyuan Kwanta.